Stop struggling with stuttering and random frame drops in your favorite games. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly enable game mode on Windows 11 in just a few clicks to get a smoother, more stable gaming experience. Hi, I'm Anna from For Real. Let's get your PC optimized. If you've ever been in the middle of an intense moment in a game, only to have your screen freeze for a split second, you know how frustrating it is. This often happens because your computer is trying to do too many things at once. Windows itself has dozens of background processes running, things like system updates, antivirus scans, and notifications for other apps. Each of these tasks takes a small piece of your PC's power: your CPU, your RAM, and even your disk drive. When you're gaming, you want 100% of that power focused on the game. When it's divided, you get inconsistent performance, which leads to that annoying lag and stutter. It's a classic case of your PC's attention being split. Luckily, Microsoft knows this is a problem, which is why they built a feature directly into the operating system to help. It's called Game Mode, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to turn it on and explain what it's really doing behind the scenes to help optimize Windows 11 for gaming. All right, let's get this done. The fastest way to get to your settings is with a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the I key at the same time. This will instantly open up the settings window. Once the settings window is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of categories. Find the one with a little controller icon that says Gaming and click on it. This is the central hub for all of your PC's gaming-related features. After clicking Gaming, you'll see a few options on the right. The one we want is at the bottom, labeled Game Mode. It usually has a little description under it like Optimize your PC for play. Go ahead and click on that. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful so far, do me a huge favor and hit that like button below. It's totally free and it really helps the channel reach more people who need these tips. Okay, let's finish this up. This is the final and most important step. You'll see a single option on this screen for game mode with a toggle switch next to it. If it says off, just click the switch. It will slide over and change to on. And that's it. There's no save button and no need to restart your computer. The change is instant. So now for the big question. Does this actually boost your FPS? The honest answer is, it depends. On PCs with high-end processors, you might not notice a huge difference because your computer already has plenty of power. However, on systems where the CPU is a bit older or you have a ton of apps running, game mode can make a noticeable difference by preventing those background tasks from interrupting your game. While you're here in the Windows 11 game mode settings, here's a pro tip. Go back one screen and look for a graphics link under Related Settings. Click that. In here, you can enable a feature called Hardware-Accelerated GPU Scheduling. This can reduce latency and further improve performance. It's a great companion to game mode, but we'll cover that in more detail in another video. Did you know that game mode was first introduced in Windows 10 back in 2017? It was designed to boost gaming performance by prioritizing system resources for your game, reducing background activity, improving frame rates, and giving you a smoother experience. In Windows 11, it's even smarter. It automatically detects when you're gaming and works with features like Auto HDR and Direct Storage to make your games load faster and look better. And there you have it. In just 4 simple steps, you now know exactly how to enable game mode and give your PC a better chance at running your games smoothly. No more frustrating stutters caused by background tasks. You've told Windows to prioritize your gaming, plain and simple. If you found this tutorial useful and want more PC optimization tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our future guides. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.